So, hello, buenas tardes. So, ngayon, samahan nyo ako para magluto tayo ng Spanish vegetable recipe. Ito ay pisto con egg. It is a vegetable with egg. So, ang ating mga ingredients ay zucchini, small squash, green and red pepper, the onion and garlic, parsley, egg. I used only 2 egg, the tomatoes, salt. I use the chili powder, which I use always, and for food coloring is the pimiento dulce. It is chili but sweet. Pimenta negra, and the olive oil. So I will all chop all into cubes, small cubes, all the ingredients, and fry it, and at last I will add the egg. So we will do it coming up. So we start cooking. We put the olive oil first. Olive oil. We put the onion first. Yan. Let it to be brown, then we will put the other ingredients, the garlic, and also if you have eggplant, you can add also eggplant. That's it. We put the garlic, we put this one, the calabasin, the zucchini, too much zucchini, okay. Okay. Wait for 2 minutes. Okay. We add the tomato in the green paper. It's full already, our pan. Yan. We cover it again so that it will okay. See, and I will put a broth nor cubes diluted. It with water. I dilute it with water. The one I use is this one. This one. Nor doble caldo. Is a vegetable nor cubes. Yan. Cover it again. Okay. And now I will add salt, a little salt, a chili, because I want it a little bit chili. Yan. Not so much. And powder, black pepper. Yan. And the food coloring, which is it's not really actually food coloring. It's the sweet pepper. The sweet pepper, yan. I add 1 teaspoon. Ayan. And we will cover it to wait until it will be cooked for a few minutes more. See? Okay, I think it's already cooked. And now we put the egg. Then we cover it. At last I will put egg because the pan is so big. That's it. That's it. Okay. Okay. So, tanan. Then we will cover it again. Cover it and wait next. So this is it, guys. Tanan! It's already cooked. Ayan na ang pisto. Yan. O, diba? Looks yummy. It's a vegetable, but looks yummy. Ayan. So easy. So again, see you again next time, next recipe, next video. Bye-bye. God bless. Mwah!